The next step in the process of rebuilding the front brakes is to remove the original but worn out rotors from the front of the car. As you'll note, these rotors have actually been from the factory riveted in place. So the first thing we need to do is to remove these rivets. What I'll do with that, or how I'll do that, is using a 3/8 inch drill along with two different size twist drills. One is a 5/16, which will match the diameter of the original rivet, the rivet shank, and the other is a 7/16 twist drill, which will then remove the head of the rivet. What's really nice about these DeWalt titanium twist drills is the shank is set up such that it will fit inside of a 3/8 inch drill bit, or a hand drill, so that you don't have to go out and buy, if you don't have one already, you don't have to go out and buy a $200 drill with a chuck in it. So we're going to also, as a part of the drilling process, we're going to make sure that we're cooling the twist drill so it doesn't wear out. I'll be using some brake fluid for that, and let's begin. Okay, so the drill bit doesn't walk all over the place. The first thing I'm going to do is take a drift and basically put a starting point in for the twist drill. Okay, now I take the 5/16 inch drill, and before doing that, of course, I have to put some coolant, some brake fluid coolant, into a dish, and then dip the tip of the drill into that dish to get a little bit of coolant on it, and then begin doing some drilling. And you don't want to go very fast. It does not require a fast speed. The rivets are relatively soft, so they do cut relatively easily. So slow speed and moderate pressure. Again, cool your drill bit periodically. Next one. When you get the metal shavings to look like this, then you know you're going at the right speed. Last one. Okay, we've gone about 3/16 of an inch deep for each of the holes. Now I'll just change out the drill bit, put in the larger 7/16 inch drill bit. Again, this will fit into the 3/8 chuck. Again, lubricate, and then drill out the rivet head. That's how it's done. One more to go. Okay, all three rivet heads have been removed. Next step in the process is to drive the shaft of the rivets back into the back side of the hub. You can use a pneumatic drift. You can use a pneumatic drift tool if you'd like as well, but I'm just going to use the old-fashioned, take the drift and drive it through. Okay, there's one. There's two. There's three. There's four. And we'll get back to the stubborn one. There's five. Okay, now the rotor should come right off. Okay, with a little bit of, there. A little persuasion never hurts. We're gonna junk it anyways. There you go, quite easily done.